Greetings, dear listener. It is an honor to have you join the Motivational Fuel podcast. I'm Wondra Spencer, your host. I'm here to inspire and empower you. As a healthcare professional, a coach, I'm passionate about sharing valuable insights on strength, love, health, self-care, motivation, inspiration, lifestyle, finances, and personal growth. Our guests on this podcast will inspire you, and they will share personal stories, experiences, providing you with tools to unlock your full potential. I am thrilled to announce that the Inspiring Drive store sponsors this podcast. Check out my website and treat yourself to motivational items to help you reach greatness. Hello and welcome back to the Motivational Fuel podcast. I am your host, Wondra. I hope you have been well this week and taking care of yourself. This week, we're going to get back into my new book, Rise Again, Transforming Grief into Passion and Purpose, and also the workbook. So with this week, I do want to get a shout out to all of my friends that are listening to my podcast, the Motivational Fuel podcast. You can also listen to me on all social media platforms, YouTube, and other places where you listen to your podcast. So thank you to those friends who have been listening to me for the Motivational Fuel podcast. I do have some items that is on my website where you can get some coaching from me. If you want some classes, you can join my community where I will take a different route to my book chapter by chapter. So definitely go to my website, wondraspencer.com. I am very happy to share my books are a bestseller. They're in Walmart, Barnes and Nobles, Goodreads. They are on different platforms too, Amazon, if you want to purchase your copy and follow along for the podcast. So this week, we're going to be talking about Chapter 4, Caring for You, really honoring their memory with 3 essential messages. It can be taking care of yourself for counseling, the spiritual world, really enhance well-being, being supportive, prioritizing your self-care, making sure that you are taking care of yourself, taking the time where you are maintaining your balance, a healthier lifestyle, and that doesn't have to come with any guilt. and really seeking health and strength. So making sure that you do your self-care, your personal growth, really taking care of your emotional health and making that connection with others that are around you, with your loved ones, really taking that time out. So that's what this section, chapter 4 of my book, we can talk about spiritual beliefs, emotional well-being, between your individual, your faith, your mental health, really supporting yourself, guidance, looking at that holistic approach for emotional and spiritual needs. And I'm going to tell you, get out there and get the counseling, the coaching, the spiritual guidance, really, because today is very uncertain world. So make sure you take care of yourself. I know life is overwhelming, but really.
Let's take a quick break.
Hey there, I'm excited to invite you to explore some amazing resources today. Check out the Inspiring Podcast and grab your electronic copy of the Yearly Gratitude Journal, along with my book, Transformative: Becoming a New You in 30 Days. You'll also find the paperback editions of What is Your Motivation, and also my gratitude journal that's available on my website. Don't miss out on the customized t-shirts, perfect for yourself, and they can be also some thoughtful gifts. With the holidays around the corner, it's a fantastic time to pick up your gift cards and surprise your loved ones. Additionally, I look forward to inviting you to some fun coaching parties and discussing a range of topics, from health and wellness coaching to electronic coaching. And there are numerous coaching opportunities and interview preparation resources available on my website. So take a moment to browse and discover something special. Wishing you a wonderful day ahead and filled with some positivity and inspiration. Have a great day. Taking the time out for your well-being and your self-care because you deserve it. Making sure that each day, ninth month, you're really can hone in on your mental health and your emotional health. If you ignore these, you will not feel better. You will prolong it. So make sure that you take care of yourself. Really, that healing and personal growth help you with your struggles and reaching out for support. And really, when you seek health, it's a sign of really strengthening yourself, a critical step to find that peace and that balance. Some things that I like to do with my uninterrupted time is really bringing that joy to relaxation. If I'm drinking a cup of coffee, I'm really tired, but I love a cup of tea. It's very relaxing. If you can, take a nap, really do some meditation, look out for some good books. Hopefully you pick up one of my copies. Every minute, I really take that time for myself and really enjoy my well-being and taking care of me. And it's no need to feel guilty because you need that. You need that way to be healthy and balancing. And I really prioritize my self-care, really taking that time to focus on it, because it's, that time to be a transition in your life really is the physical, emotional, mental. And you can make sure that you practice the self-care every day. And it's a step to taking care of yourself, really that moment of joy that you put into yourself so you can make sure you are happy and you're making sure that you take care of yourself. So that is what chapter 4 is about in the book. And if you have the workbook too, it just gives you a chance for self-care, some spirituality workbook, your well-being. So you can identify your spiritual beliefs, how you are going to influence your mental health, some what ways that you can take care of yourself, some activities, maybe meditation, some prayer, if you go on nature walks, really taking care of yourself. And I know if you're in the northern states or Ohio states, the nature walks can be a little bit challenging, so maybe wait till the springtime once the weather is better. But really taking care of yourself, committing to you, because this chapter and the rest of your life really make sure that you take care of you. And chapter 4, the workbook, starts on page 19. It gives you a chance to write some things out, your moments of solitude where you feel relaxed, rejuvenated. What can you do? How can this, make you feel better? Overcoming your guilt, really retooling your mind, acknowledging that self-care, and seeking support, really support for yourself. You can write down a recent experience, goals for your personal health, your self-care, what steps are you going to take. You can really journal about it too with your self-care, maybe a few sentences, how you're facing the challenges and how you felt spiritually and emotionally. And you can look back at this book, make it your own, make it time to a readjustment for yourself and take care of you. You do have some space in this chapter and throughout the workbook where you can write down some things that will help you and you can really help yourself. Now, the next week chapter, we will go over chapter 5, talking about your passion and your SMART goals. So that will be the upcoming chapter for next week. And I really hope that you are getting something out of this book, Rise Again, because I really wanting to share this with others and feel connected, and maybe even giving a book or a copy to others, sharing this podcast so they would not feel alone, maybe buying some books for someone that needs it or that's going through a rough time right now, because we're really here to support each other. But for chapter 5, your passion and your SMART goals will be start on the book, page 55 for next week. But I really hope you take the time out to take care of yourself always. You can go back to chapter 4 and review some things, some topics. But really taking care of yourself, because you come first, really taking care of you. But I really hope you enjoyed the podcast. I will be back next week with chapter 5 and we can really dive into it. But I really hope you take care of yourself. Don't stop doing self-care things for you, because you can really support yourself and take care of you, because you matter. But until next time, really enjoy the podcast. You can share it with others and make sure that you're just taking care of you, because you matter, and support each other so you're not making sure that someone who doesn't need the support, you see it, help them out. And really, your support means the world to me. Remember, when you give, you rise, and when you rise, you inspire others to rise again. So keep fueling your growth, keep showing up for yourself, and we will talk in the next episode. Thank you. Bye-bye. If you have listened to this entire episode, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a review and share with those who's interested. Let me know which topics you want me to cover in future episodes. You can contact me through my comments or on my social media networks. And you can purchase items on the Inspire and Drive store. I will look forward to seeing you next week for a new episode. Have a great day and remember to motivate yourself.